Hello and welcome to Notes on Hobbies. Today I'll be showing you how to download and install Microsoft ICE or Image Composite Editor. It's the one we're going to use to create panoramas. So first off, we're going to open our Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge for this example, and then we're just going to type in Microsoft ICE for our search, and then the first result is the right link to download. So just click on it. It will take you into the Microsoft research page and also into the ICE download page. So just click on download ICE 2.0 for 64-bit Windows, because that's the Windows I am using. If you're using a 32-bit Windows, you can click on the 32-bit link. And if you need any help to determine if you're using a 32-bit or a 64-bit Windows, just click on the help 32 or 64-bit link and it will tell you what to do. So now we click on download ICE 2.0 for 64-bit Windows, and then it will take us to the download page. And then you see here at the bottom, it is downloading the ICE version 2.0.3 for 64-bit Windows. So you just wait for that to finish. So now that it is finished downloading, just click on run, and then just follow the steps to and then just click close, click launch Image Composite Editor. Alright, so here we are in Microsoft Image Composite Editor, and now we're gonna try to create our panoramas. So let's see, we have our options here: new panorama from images, new panorama from video, and open existing panorama. And also there are panoramas available from other users as well, which they have shared on photosynth.net. So what we're going to try is to create a panorama from images first. So I'll just click on new panorama from images, then go into the folder where I have my photos. As you can see, I have 4 photos here that I have taken with the use of a tripod. So I just panned the tripod from left to right. So we will select all 4 photos, click open. So I just clicked on one. You can either hold Control and select each photo individually, or just click on one photo, the first photo, and then hold Shift and then click on the last photo. That will select all the photos from the first photo up to the last photo. And just click open. So here we are in another window where we have all the 4 photos in. And then we can add more images if we left some. We can remove what we have selected, or we can sort them by file name or capture time. So they're basically the same, because most cameras will capture photos and then name them by sequence. And there's also a note here saying drag and drop photos here. So if we minimize this, we can just open another folder with the photos and just drop them in. So just like this, and just drag and drop them. See? Okay, let's go back to the maximized. So it's just saying camera motions. I said earlier that I took these photos on a tripod and panned it from left to right, and then just go to stitch, and then it will automatically stitch all the photos you have together. There, Microsoft ICE has automatically stitched all the photos together. And now we can sort of see the edges are jagged. So that's one thing to have in mind when you're doing panoramic photos, is to have a lot of space on the edges of the photo, on the edges of the subject, so that you won't accidentally crop the images. But there's also another option once we go into crop, because I'm happy with this. Let's go to crop, and it's still projecting the panorama. So here we are in crop, where you see this sides here. You can also use autocomplete, which will then compute the image and then autocomplete the jagged edges. These are good for edges which are just plain. So as you can see here, I tried using autocomplete, but see those electrical wires there, they're just not gonna make the photo great. So what I'll do is just turn autocompletion off, and then I'll just crop the photo until I have all the edges smoothened out. So try to get as much as possible of your image. I think I'm happy with that, so I'll just go to next, and we have our image. All you have to do now is export to disk and then save it wherever you like, and now you've got your panorama from 4 images. The thing we're gonna do now is to create a panorama from a video. This is a very good option as well if you have a video that you panned and you want to make a photo out of it. So let's go directly into new panorama from video, and then you're gonna find your videos. So here I have my video that I shot from the Manly Scenic Walk path. So I'm just gonna open that, then I'm just gonna show you the whole video. So as you can see, I'm just panning the camera from left to right, and then I'll stop there for a little bit, and then I'll go again, but this time it's going to be very quick, so it's not really useful for a panorama, so I'm not gonna use that. What I'll do now is set the start and end points from where I want my panorama to start. So as you can see, this is not really a good sample for my panorama because it's too much motion, and also the camera got out of focus there as it focused on the leaves. So what we'll do is here at the start, there's so we'll start from this side and go up to there before it shifted down. So we will use up to here. Then I'll just grab the endpoint and yep, end it in there. There's also an optional here that you can draw rectangles around regions of the videos, that video frames that you want to appear in the final panorama. So yeah, it's like that, but I really don't want that. I really don't want to use that. I want the whole frame, and then I'll just crop it later. So here we go, then just stitch. Now it's analyzing the video, and then align the images and then composite it. So we'll just wait for that. Right, now so we have the photos, and then we can just zoom in and look at that. That's very very good panorama of a video. So as you can see, it's really smoothened out. So as you can see, it's smoothened out. So you just have to be careful with shooting your videos that you don't pan it too quickly. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, just zoom out a little, auto orient again because I've just moved it, and then I will just go into crop because I'm happy with the results. So I'm just gonna crop again, and I'll try autocomplete. I'm gonna try this to see if I can extend the edges, but as you can see, it just cloned some of the edges of the photos, which is not really looking good, so I'll just turn auto completion off. And then I'll just go to export. So here you have it, a panoramic photo from a video. Okay, so that's it. That's how you do a panorama from a video.